Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and happy holidays. If you haven't been here before, my name's Melissa. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with this little set from Alamar Cosmetics. The Spanglish is their most recent palette that they have come out with. And I got this at the BoxyCharm pop-up sale or shop. And I wanted to just get it out and play with it and kind of see what we think about it, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, so this little set was really cute. It came in this little bag, and it has the long wear sticky pigment base, so their eye primer. Then it has 3 brushes, and I think they're new brushes. And then it had the palette as well as a pair of earrings. Let me show you comes in this little pouch. And then these little heart earrings. So pretty cute set, and it wasn't super expensive either. That's kind of why I got it, was because it was close to what the palette would have been if I would have bought the palette. So I just jumped in and got it. Sorry, you might see Callie's little ears right here because she's sitting right here on the table wanting to sit in my lap again today. So it might be one of those days that she might be in the middle of everything again. So I would put the earrings in, but I'm kind of flossing my Christmas earrings today, so I'll have to wear those another day. But let me go ahead and take off my glasses. It's kind of hard to do things with her right in front of me. And we're going to go into the Primero Primer, which is the long wear sticky pigment base. And I'm going to see if I can't put a little bit of this on my eyes. I don't know how much to use. Let me get my mirror. Just try that much at first. They do feel kind of tacky, so I think I got enough on there. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like. It's got a mirror. Hold on, let's see. There we go. It's got a mirror. Real pretty colors. And I think first I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm taking this kind of fan brush. I might have got too much on there. Callie knocked down that pouch that had the earrings in it. Well, she knocked the whole plastic part down. But now she's sitting there playing with it on the floor, flicking it. Ooh, I kind of like this brush for this. Alright, now I'm going to take Muy Excited, this kind of orangey shade. And I'm going to put that in my outer V and maybe a little bit in my crease. We'll see what happens. And I'm just going to use that same brush. Alright, and now I'm going to go into Parler, this orangey shimmer shade. I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid, and I'm going to use this flat shader brush from the set. I really like these shimmers. They're really, really good to work with. And I'm going to take a cotton round, some micellar water, clean up my edges. Alright, and for my primer, I'm going to take the Professional Hydrate Primer by Benefit. And for my foundation, I'm taking the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in light beige. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and take that and put it on my face. And I'm taking my BK Beauty 101 brush and I'm going to blend that out. And for concealer, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in shade Eggshell. And I'm going to dot that on my eyes. I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush. So I put on a little number 7 powder in light just to set that concealer. And for bronzer, I'm taking the Revlon Skin Lights Sunkissed Beam. It just fell out. Well, that was interesting. Here it is. It just fell out of the pan. But I'm going to use that to bronze my face. Alright, I'm going to take the ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in Chase, or Chase, however you want to say it. It's kind of an orangey shade. I'm going to use that to put some color on my cheeks. I figured it kind of matched the orangey tone in the eyeshadow. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. I'm going to use that on the high points of my face. Going down my nose. And I'm going to skip my Cupid's bow, just do a little bit on my chin. My lips are still real dry. Now my bottom lip is feeling kind of like my top lip, so I don't know if it's ever going to get better. I think I'm going to just take this brush that I was using for those two matte shades and see if I can't just take what's on it and run it underneath my lash line. Well, that worked good. Just using the point of the brush. And I'm going to take my highlighter that I used, the Maybelline Master Chrome, and just use it to put a little bit of a inner corner highlight. See what that does. Because I don't really have a lighter shade to put on it. That looks good. And I'm going to use the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in, what does it say, Kobe, maybe? Or Gobi? Something like that. It's just a darker peachy color. It came in the Coral collection. And I'm just going to put that on my waterline. I think it might match what I got going on here. Alright, I'm going to hop off here, throw in some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to just put on a gloss on my lips, and I'm taking the ColourPop Luxe Gloss in Renaissance. And I'm going to throw that on my lips. And for setting spray, I'm taking the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. And I'm going to spray my face. Alright, y'all. I am loving this eye look. This is the final look using the Spanglish, Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette and little set that I got. I am definitely loving this eye look. I think it looks beautiful. I love the shimmer because their shimmers are just glorious. I really am loving their shimmers. It just went on. It didn't seem like there was a ton on my brush to put on my eye, but it just went on, and I didn't have to dip in for any more, and it was great. I really enjoyed using this palette, and even using these brushes. I really love this brush right here. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it, but I really love it for in my crease, even my lower lash line, my outer corner. It really did everything except for the shimmer that I used this one. Now I used this one a little bit to just kind of blend the top right here, but I didn't use it a whole lot. It's kind of a little flimsy, so it's not super fluffy. So there's not a ton of bristles. So I'm not sure about this one, but it did blend out up here really good. So it did what it was supposed to do, but I'm really loving these two brushes, and I'm super excited to have them in my collection. The eye primer seemed like it did what it was supposed to. Everything was super vibrant, so I think it kind of helped with that. I know I had heard something somewhere that somebody said it was super sticky. They might have put too much on there because it was sticky, but I didn't feel that it was super sticky. I thought that it was sticky enough to hold the eyeshadows, and that's exactly what you want it to do. But I'll have to try the earrings on at a different point in time. But I have to say that this little kit was definitely worth the buy. I know ever since Spanglish came out, I kind of had my eye on it, but just wasn't sure. And I just kind of kept looking at it, was going to buy it, had it in the cart, and just didn't buy it a few times. But I'm glad that I finally found the whole set. And like I said, it was a great deal on BoxyCharm's website on their pop-up sale or whatever. But I'm real excited to have all this in my collection, and I hope you like the look. I hope you like the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you're staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a happy holidays. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.